Good evening, everyone.
Good evening,
sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Sir.
Good evening.
Yes, so three columnar cash book we started yesterday, and we will do more practice on that today with one new transaction also, which is a very important transaction at the end. Deposited remaining cash after keeping some cash amount in hand, that we are going to take up today. Okay, that's a very important transaction, and more practice on that we will do tomorrow also. So before that, I'll just have a brief revision of contra and take up. Okay, today we take up with illustration 6. All of you take out illustration 6 of your textbook. All of you take out illustration 6 of textbook. Okay, it's a 3 columnar cash book what we are going to make. Again, we'll practice on that. Did you all take out illustration 6?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kavya Patel from Pratap Nagar, unmute yourself. Hetavi Patel from Pratap Nagar, unmute yourself. Ayush Thakkar from Pratap Nagar, unmute yourself. Dupam. Dupam. Dupam, unmute yourself, Dupam.
Yes, sir.
These people you ring up and inquire why they don't unmute. Okay, just now the names which I said now.
Yes, Ayush, then
Ayush, then
Kavya.
Kavya. Yeah, you inquire why people are not able to unmute themselves. What is the problem?
Okay, sir.
Because until they unmute and participate, how will I come to know they are really able to understand or not?
Yes, sir.
And so inquire with these people, ring their parents and tell them why they are not unmuting.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Om Shej. Om Shej. Unmute yourself. Om.
Yes, sir.
Read the question, beta.
2015 July 1. Opening cash balance rupees 10,000.
Main question from the
From the following transaction, prepared 3 columnar cash book of Sri Jethalal.
data.
July 1st.
July 2015. Just 1 minute. On. Okay. All of you make the format of 3 columnar cash book of Sri Jethalal. What are the columns you all know? Debit side, date, particulars, receipt number, LF number, discount allowed, cash and bank. Credit side, okay, in the between you will have thick lines. In the between, all of you will have 2 thick lines. I hope everyone remembers that. Okay, in the between you all will have 2 thick lines to differentiate between the debit and credit side. And credit side, same columns, date, particulars, that is payments, voucher number, discount receipt, cash and bank. I am giving you 2 minutes, every one of you make the format fast. Okay, your time starts now. Okay, read the first transaction. Yes.
Opening cash balance rupees 10,000. Bank overdraft rupees 4,000.
All of you see your opening cash balance 10,000 and bank overdraft 4,000. Om, where will we record the cash balance?
In debit side.
And where will we record the bank overdraft?
In credit side, payment side.
Yes, all of you must remember I made you write this yesterday. Okay. that cash balance will come on the debit side, bank balance will also come on the debit side, but bank overdraft will come on the credit side. So all of you write down debit side in cash book. The date is 1st July. Okay, it's not the April month, now it is July month. 1st July. To balance brought down. To balance brought down. In cash column, the amount is 10,000. Okay, cash balance is 10,000. And credit side by balance brought down, bank overdraft 4,000. So again, date 1. Okay, July. Date is 1. By balance brought down. In bank column 4,000. I hope everyone is clear with this. Krishna Shah, there is some problem with your internet because you generally keep messaging, you cannot see, others are able to see. Krishna Shah from Subhanpura. Is everyone able to see what is written on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Krishna Shah, problem with your device, okay? Yes, anyone who did not understand this cash balance and bank overdraft entry? Everyone is clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I'll ask the next one, be it in the third one. Arjun, unmute yourself. Arjun. Arjun, unmute yourself. Dhruvi, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, read the transaction 3.
Sir, I have doubt.
Yes, Dhruvi, what is the doubt?
Sir, in illustration 7, first illustration 6 and 7, first वाला दोनों में एक जैसा ही है ना, opening cash balance and bank balance. तो इसमें क्यों एक साइड receipt side to bank balance and credit दोनों में अलग-अलग क्यों किया?
Dhruvi, what is this bank?
Balance.
Balance. This is illustration 7, right?
Yes, sir.
And what is this bank?
Overdraft.
Overdraft. Okay. Now, bank balance will be recorded on.
Debit side.
This is what we have done in illustration 7. And bank overdraft will be recorded on.
Credit side.
This is what we are doing in illustration 6. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Cash balance will always come on debit side. But bank balance or bank overdraft can come on debit or credit side. If it is bank balance, you write on the debit side. If it is bank overdraft, you write on the credit side. Is that clear, Dhruvi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Dhruvi, you read the next transaction also. Third one.
Third, goods of rupees 3,000 purchased from a year at 10% cash discount and issued check of the necessary amount.
How will we record it?
What comes in the purchase account and what goes out the cash account. Sorry.
Bank is the giver.
Who is given?
Bank is the giver.
Yes.
So purchase account debit to bank account to cash discount account. This is the entry. Okay. Goods comes in, debit what comes in, bank purchase account debit, bank is the giver, credit the giver to bank account, and cash discount is an income, credit all incomes and gains to cash discount account. Where will we record it in the cash book?
Payment side. I mean,
Payment
credit
side. Yes, to bank account and to cash discount account we credit it, so we will write it in cash book on credit side. What is the name of opposite account you'll write?
by purchase account.
By purchases account. Now first calculate the amount of discount. What will be the amount of discount?
So 3000 में से 10% जाएगा तो 300 आएगा तो 27.
First do 3000 into 10% in calculator. What do you get? Do 3000 into 10% in calculator. What do you get?
300.
300. That we will write in discount received column. Now press minus and equal to in calculator.
2700.
2700. Since we have paid by check, we will write it in bank column. Okay. Otherwise also, all of you tell me one thing. If we purchase the goods, do we receive the money or we have to pay the money?
Pay the money.
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 Is
Pay the
everyone
money.
clear with the calculation and the entry on which side? Any doubts in that?
No.
Sir.
No.
Raise your hand who is having any doubts in it. All are clear with it? Fantastic. Now next one. Fifth transaction. Mansi Patil Sumanpura, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mansi.
Salary of rupees 800 and stationery of rupees 700 paid by check.
Hmm.
We will be recording the credit side because salary is our expense. So debit all expense and losses and cash goes out. So cash account. So by fifth by salary account we will record in the bank column 800.
Yes, but Mansi, cash does not go out, bank is the giver.
Yes, the bank is sorry.
Okay, we are paid by check. So journal entry will be salary is an expense, debit all expenses and losses, salary account debit. Stationery is an expense, debit all expenses and losses, stationery account debit. Bank is the giver, credit the giver to bank account. To bank account we credit, so we will write on credit side date is 5. By salary account in bank column, since we have paid by check in bank column 800. And one more entry come on credit side, Mansi.
By stationery account.
It's same date 5 by stationery account in bank column, the amount will
700.
700. Very good. Mute yourself. Otherwise also, can you all see that the word paid is given?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Paid means it will come on payment side. Any doubts with the entry or the amounts?
No,
sir.
Okay. Anyone having any doubts, raise your hand. Okay. Next. Dev Shah from Subhanpura, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Read the seventh transaction, Dev Shah.
Yes, sir. Goods of rupees 6,000 purchased from Babita at 10% trade discount. Half of the amount paid by cash and the balance amount is paid by check.
Yes.
Good.
What will be the entry?
Goods comes in purchase. Goods comes in debit. What comes in purchase account debit. Babita is the giver. Credit the giver. Babita account credit.
No, Babita is not the giver. We have paid half amount by check and
Bank is
half
the
by
giver.
cash. So do we have to remember the name of Babita? The money is already paid. It's a cash transaction. So Babita's name is not to be remembered. Did you understand it?
Yes.
Half amount is paid by cash. So what will be the effect?
Cash goes out.
Cash goes out, credit what goes out to cash account. And balance amount is paid by check. So what will be the effect?
Bank is the giver.
Bank is the giver, credit the giver to bank account. Okay, purchase account debit to cash account to bank account. Now where will we record it in cash book?
Credit side.
To cash account and to bank account we credit it means we will write on credit side. In particular, what is the name of opposite account?
Purchase account.
By purchases account. Now tell me the amounts.
2,700.
How do you get that?
6,000 minus 10% discount.
All of you do
Five.
it in calculator. 6,000 minus 10% trade discount. All of you must get 5,400 further.
Divided by 2.
Yes, divided by 2 because half amount is paid by cash and half amount is paid by check. So 5,400 divided by 2, 2,700 is paid in cash and 2,700 is paid by check, which will come in bank column. Okay. I repeat it once again. Every one of you do this calculation in calculator and tell me if you are not clear. Okay. 6,000 minus 10%. Do you all get 5,400?
Yes.
Yes.
Divided by 2, you all get 2,700.
Yes.
Now this amount will come in cash column as well as bank column. Any doubts in this?
No.
No, sir.
Anyone not clear with it, raise your hand. Hardik, you have a doubt or you want to answer the next question?
Sir, answer the next question.
Okay, okay. Mute yourself, I'll ask you. Later I'll ask you, okay? Now, next one. Sarjita, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Read the next transaction 9.
Rupees 4,000 are deposited in the bank.
Is it a contra entry?
Yes, sir.
What will be the journal entry if cash is deposited in the bank?
Bank account to cash account.
Bank account debit to cash account. Now bank account debit means what will we do?
In debit side, bank column amount.
Yes, in debit side bank column, what amount should I write?
4,000.
4,000. All of you do this bank account debit. So in debit side in bank column record 4,000. Now follow the rule opposite, opposite, opposite. So opposite means what should I write in particulars?
To cash account.
Opposite of bank to cash account. Now credit side opposite of cash, what must I write?
In cash column, 4,000.
First of all, to cash account. So opposite of cash, what should I write here?
By bank account.
By bank account. Okay, opposite, opposite, opposite. So opposite of cash by bank account. And opposite of bank amount will go in which column?
Cash column.
Cash column 4,000. What is the date?
9.
9th. Both the side date is 9. And what should I write in LF column?
C.
C. I hope everyone is clear with this. I repeat it one more time. Listen carefully, everyone. Bank account debit to cash account 4,000. Bank account debit means debit side in bank column 4,000. Then opposite, opposite, opposite. Since we have written in bank column, opposite of that cash account, opposite of cash bank account, opposite of bank cash column. Okay, this is the shortcut we follow. Is everyone clear with the concept of contra entry?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes.
Anyone having any doubt?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Anyone who wants to explain again, raise their hand. Anyone who wants to explain the contra entry again? Okay, so 9th transaction is done. Now after 9th transaction, Ayushi Amin from Pratap Nagar, unmute yourself. Ayushi Amin from Pratap Nagar, unmute yourself. Hardik Shah, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Read the next transaction after 9, transaction number 10.
Check of 6,000 issued to Popatlal towards the full settlement of the account of rupees 6,050.
What will be the entry?
Popatlal is the receiver, bank is the giver.
So Popatlal to bank, and also discount is 50 rupees
Yes.
because against 6,050 we are paying only
6,000.
6,000, and that too in full settlement. Means the money is full and finally paid. So 50 rupees
Yes.
now we are not going to pay in future, means that is discount. Is everyone clear with 50 rupees of discount? Allowance.
sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Allowance
Yes,
or
sir.
discount. Okay, either allowance or discount. So, Hardik, where will we record it? Okay, you said the journal entry is correct. Popat Lal account debit. Popat Lal is the receiver. Debit the receiver. Popat Lal account debit. And bank is the giver. Credit the giver to bank account because we have issued check. And discount is an income. Credit all incomes and given to discount account. Where should we write it? Hardik. Only Hardik, unmute yourself and answer it.
It would be on the credit side.
Yes, 2 bank account and 2 discount account means we'll write on credit side. Date is 10. Particulars
By Popatlal account.
by Popat Lal account. Okay, opposite account by Popat Lal account.
50 rupees.
50 rupees in discount column and
6,000 in bank.
6,000 in bank column since we have given the check. Correct. Mute yourself. Is everyone clear with the recording?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We have issued the check means we are paying to Popat Lal, so it will come on payment side. Now, next one, 12th transaction. Richita, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Read the 12th transaction.
Atmaram has given rupees 6,000 cash and check of rupees 4,000, which is deposited in the bank towards the amount payable rupees 10,070.
Yes. What will be the entry?
Bank is the receiver, debit the receiver, bank account debit with 4,000, and cash comes in, debit what comes in, cash account debit with 6,000 to Atmaram account. Atmaram is the giver, Atmaram account debit with
Richita,
10,000.
Richita, against
Yes, sir.
10,070, what are we paying? 6,000 plus 4,000?
10,000.
10,000. Okay. So, what is the discount?
Yes. 70.
70. So, now tell me what will be the entry? Cash account debit 6,000, bank account debit 4,000, and also
Discount account debit 70,000.
yes,
70
cash
rupees.
comes in, debit what comes in, cash account debit 6,000, bank is the receiver, debit the receiver, bank account debit 4,000, discount is an expense, debit all expenses and losses, discount account debit 70, and Atmaram is the giver, credit the giver to Atmaram account 10,070. Now, where will we record this?
On the debit side.
Yes, cash account debit, bank account debit, discount account debit. So we'll write on the debit side. Date is 12. In particulars,
To Atmaram account.
opposite account to Atmaram account. In discount column,
70.
70. In cash column,
6,000.
and in bank column,
4,000.
4,000. Correct. Okay. Otherwise, also all of you understand one thing. Don't go by the word given. Who has given?
Atmaram.
So are we receiving or paying?
Receiving.
We are receiving. Atmaram is giving us means we are receiving the money, so it will come on receipt side. Did you all understand this?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
Okay. Anyone having any doubt in this and wants me to explain it again, raise your hand. Okay. Next transaction. Check of rupees 5,000 received from Sundar towards payment of an old debt which is deposited in the bank. Dhruvi from Pratap Nagar.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What will be the journal entry, Dhruvi?
Bank is the receiver and Sundar is the giver.
Correct. Bank is the receiver, debit the receiver, bank account debit, we have received the check. Sundar is the giver, credit the giver to Sundar account. So bank account debit to Sundar account, where will we record it?
And receipt side.
Receipt side. Bank account debit means we will write on the debit side. What is the name of opposite account?
Sundar account.
To Sundar account, and amount will go in bank column. What amount?
5,000.
5,000. Otherwise also, can you all see that the word received is given?
Yes.
Yes.
So received means it will come on receipt side. Check is received, so it will come on receipt side. Is everyone clear with this?
Yes,
sir.
Anyone having any doubt in this? Raise your hand. Okay. Now next transaction. Sujal Shah, unmute yourself. Sujal Shah, Subhanpura.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sujal, read the transaction. 19.
सर आपकी आवाज
मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
3,000 cash paid toward income tax of Jetala.
Yes, your voice is.
सर आपकी आवाज चिपक चिपक के आ रही है.
बेटा आपकी आवाज चिपक के आ रही है. I think there is some problem with your internet connection. Is my voice clearly audible to everyone?
Yes,
sir.
उसकी problem.
Sujal, there is some problem in your side. Unmute yourself and read the transaction again. Yes, read the
3,000 cash paid towards income tax of Jetala.
Yes. So cash paid towards income tax of Jetala. What will be the journal entry?
Income tax is cash. Income tax is expense. Credit like debit the expense.
Wrong. Prapti Patel, unmute yourself.
Yes.
Prapti Patel, Subhanpura, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me what is the entry?
The owner is the receiver. Cash goes out.
Yes. Income tax is a personal expense. Is it or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sujal, income tax is a personal expense. So owner is the receiver, debit the receiver, drawings account debit, and we are paid in cash. So cash goes out, credit what goes out, cash account. Okay. Sujal.
Yes, sir.
Drawings
Yes, sir.
account debit, okay, not income tax account debit. Now, to cash account means everyone write on the credit side. To cash account means everyone write on the credit side. What is the date?
19.
19. What is the name of opposite account?
Drawings account.
Drawings account, and we are paid in cash. So in cash column, all of you will write 3,000. Okay. Otherwise, also, can you all see the word paid is already given?
Yes, sir.
So it will come on payment side. But be careful, income tax is a personal expense, so it will come as drawings account. Okay. Is everyone clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we come across a new point. Listen carefully. Check of Sundar is dishonored. Whenever any check is dishonored, what do you mean by dishonor?
Bounce हो गया.
Bounce.
Bounce means the person. What are the reasons why the check might get bounced or dishonored?
उसके अकाउंट में उतना पैसे नहीं होंगे.
Insufficient balance. Signature.
Generally, that amount.
Correct sign.
Account
Generally, that
number.
amount is not
Date.
sufficient.
Date.
But there are
Account
several.
number.
Correct. Generally, the balance may be insufficient, but there are several reasons, as you people already pointed out, all of you smart people already pointed it out. Signature differs, then also check will get dishonored. Okay, you all are so intelligent, you already know this modern things now. Otherwise, in past, I had to explain so much to the students, but you all are very intelligent. and my efforts have decreased in explaining. So you already said that check may dishonor because of signature differs. Overwriting also. Okay, overwriting means instead of there, if I write there and then on D I overwrite and write H again, then also bank will dishonor the check. Overwriting is also not allowed. It may dishonor if the date has expired. Generally, these days the check are valid for 3 months. All of you are at home right now, right? So if your father is there, all of you take a checkbook. Ask him to give you a checkbook. Every one of you do it fast. Ask him to give a checkbook. Ask your father or mother to give a checkbook or a piece of check. All of you take it out fast. Fast, fast, everyone. Every one of you request your father to show you a check. All of you request your parents to show yourself a check. Okay, every one of you request your parents to show you a check or a checkbook. Okay. Did you all get a check or checkbook, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, whosoever is having it, okay. Can you see it's written in the check valid for 3 months?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Do you all find written in the check valid for 3 months or not, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
So this may also be a reason for dishonor. Suppose you have given a check to someone on, let us say, 1st of August. So August means September, October, November. 1st November is the last date by which you can deposit the check. If you deposit the check on 2nd November, it will get dishonored because 3 months period has expired. Did everyone understand it? So several reasons are there. Okay, date may be wrong, overwriting may be there, signature may differ, or balance may not be there in the bank. Now, what we have to do is, dishonor means, all of you repeat, reverse all the related entries.
Reverse all
the related
Entries.
Now this has relevance because right now we are having only one entry which we have to reverse. But in future we may come across a transaction where we may have to reverse more than one entry also. Do you get the point? We may have to reverse more than one entry also. So as a concept, you all remember, reverse all the related entries. And second thing you all will repeat, in particulars,
Particular.
always
Always.
write the name of the person.
Name of the person.
Why is this important? Understand? Because if earlier entry we have passed off sales, what is the earlier entry we have passed off? Sales. But suppose I sold goods to Sarjita. And if the check is dishonored, then I will reverse and write Sarjita, name of person only. I will not write sales. Because goods I am not giving back, or goods she is not giving back. But the check as dishonored means the amount becomes receivable from that person. So that person's name you have to write in the books of accounts, so that you have to remember that from that person you have to still receive the money. So two things you will remember in dishonor: reverse all the related transactions. Repeat.
reverse
all the related transactions.
And in particulars, always write the name of the person.
In particular, always write the name of the person.
Will you all remember this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No, you won't. Write it in the summary. I know you will not remember. Write down in the summary. If a check is dishonored, if a check is dishonored, then first, reverse all the related transactions. Second, in particulars column, always write the name of the person. So is everyone clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Anyone still writing it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No,
Write
sir.
it down fast. Okay, all have completed now. This entry, whose check is dishonored?
Sundar.
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 Just now, can you see this Sundar's check we recorded on the debit side with 5,000?
Yes.
Now reverse means where will we write it?
Credit side.
Credit.
Yes,
Credit
credit
side.
side. What is the date?
20.
20. In particulars, always write the name of the
Person.
person. Okay, and in bank column, reverse means same thing you will reverse. So bank column 5,000. Is this dishonor transaction clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is what exactly we have reversed. By Sundar account and amount in bank column 5,000. Okay. Now, next is, what do you mean by 50 paisa here?
50%.
Percent. Okay, remember, paisa in a dividend is always 50 per 100, that is 50%. In 1 rupee, there are how many paise?
100.
100.
So 50 paise in a dividend means 50 paise in 100 paise, 50%. And one more thing, if in this modern time, anyone pays you only 50 paisa against 5,000, will you take that even 50 paisa?
No.
You are not a beggar. Even beggars don't take 50 paisas these days. Okay, they'll give it, and 50 paisa only we don't find. It's an antique piece these days. Okay, coin of minimum 1 rupee is only there. So wherever paisa comes in case of dividend, what do you mean by paisa here?
Percent.
Percent.
Okay. Now 50% dividend received from receiver of Sundar. Receiver means advocate, lawyer. Sundar has become bankrupt. Okay, so his official receiver lawyer, he has become bankrupt means his assets are auctioned. And after auctioning that, we are able to receive how much money? Only 50%. That is called dividend here. Okay, when you auction the assets and distribute the money between various creditors, that is also called dividend. Whenever any person becomes bankrupt, auction, you all understand, nilami?
Nilami. Yes.
Okay, the person comes and says, boli lagti hai, boli, bidding is done.
Yes.
And then you say 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, deal is done.
Sold.
Yes, that is called auction, and that amount after selling the assets, when you distribute amongst various creditors, it is called dividend. Is that concept clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So we are able to recover only 50% from Sundar, means 5,000's 50%. How much did we recover?
2,500.
2,500, and remaining 2,500 is bad debts. What is remaining 2,500?
Bad debt.
So 50% what we have received. Okay, bank is the receiver, debit the receiver, bank account debit. Any doubts with this?
No, sir. No.
Yes, and then remaining 50% is bad debts. So bad debts is our loss, debit all expenses and losses, bad debts account debit.
Yes. Yes.
Are you all able to understand this?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, just 1 minute. So bank account debit, bad debts account debit to Sundar account. Sundar is the giver, credit the giver to Sundar account. Okay. Now bank account debit means we will write on debit side. What is the date?
22nd.
Bank account debit means
22.
we'll write on debit side. What is the date? 22. What is the name of opposite account again? Sundar account.
To Sundar account.
Bank account debit with 5,000 50%. Okay, 50 paise means 50% only we have received. So what is 5,000 50%? We will write in bank column 2,000.
500.
500.
Bad debts will come in journal proper. Okay, bad debts will be recorded in
Journal.
proper.
journal proper. So write down 20th July 2015. Bad debts will be recorded in journal proper. Here we will have no effect of bad debts. It will go in which subsidiary book? Journal proper. With the journal entry bad debts account debit to Sundar account. Here we will record only 50% money which we have received, that is 2,500. Remaining 50%, 2,500 of bad debts will be recorded in journal proper. Any doubts with this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Clear with it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Raise your hand who did not understand this transaction. Okay. Now next 28th transaction. Darshan Sapkal, unmute yourself. Darshan Sapkal. Dwarkesh Patni, unmute yourself. Dwarkesh Patni.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Dwarkesh, read the transaction 28.
Goods of is 10,000 sold to Dipendra 10% cash discount for 60% of the amount the check received which deposited and the remaining amount is received in check.
What
Cash.
is the journal entry?
What comes in cash?
Yes, what comes in cash comes in debit, what comes in cash account debit.
Cash. And
Even check is received.
and what goes out? Goods. Malab sales.
But even check is received. 60% check is received, remaining
Yes.
50% we have received cash. So cash comes in debit, what comes in cash account
Who
debit?
is the receiver? Bank.
Bank is the receiver, debit the receiver, bank account debit.
Bank account debit.
And goods goes out, credit what goes out to.
To sales account.
Where will we record this in cash book?
Sales account.
Yes, but which side will we record it in?
Debit.
Debit.
Debit side.
Cash account debit, bank account debit, all of you write on debit side, opposite account to sales account. How much amount will come in?
Sales account.
How much amount will come in cash and bank column?
10,000 minus 10%.
All of you do directly in calculator 10,000 minus 10%. Do you all get 9,000?
9,000.
Now do into 60%.
5400.
60% we have received by check. So all of you write 5,400 in bank column.
Bank account. Bank.
Now press minus and equal to. Do you get
3,600.
3,600? That we have received in cash. Remaining amount 3,600 we have received in cash. So write it in cash column.
And discount 1,000 rupees.
No, that is trade discount. Trade discount does not have any. Okay, I'm sorry, cash discount. Yeah. 1,000 will come in discount.
Yeah, cash discount, sir.
Discount. Yes, cash discount. Is everyone clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, also tell me, if we sell the goods, will we receive the money or we have to pay the money?
Receive the money.
Receive the money.
Come on, receipt side to sales account. 10,000, 10% cash discount, 1,000 in discount column. And then remaining 9,000, 60%, 5,400 in bank column. And 9,000 minus 5,400, 3,600 in cash column. Is everyone clear with the amounts?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now last transaction is very important. How to do this, understand it. Okay. First, I will explain you the actual concept, then I will explain you the shortcut method. First, I will explain you the actual concept, then I will explain you the shortcut method. So don't write it, just understand it first. After keeping cash on hand, 2,000 remaining amount is deposited in the bank. Now see everyone in cash column, all of you see in cash column, do you find 10,000? All of you? Do you find or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Do 10,000 plus 6,000
16,000.
plus 3,600.
19,060.
600.
19,600.
Do you all get 19,600? Can you see on the screen also?
Yes.
Yes.
This is, can I say, the total cash we received in the business?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, from that you do minus credit side. What amount have we paid? 2,700
9,700.
minus 4,000 minus 3,000. Have we paid these three amounts in cash column? Can you all see that or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Three amounts have been paid by us. Okay. Now press. Okay, what is the amount coming?
9,900.
9,700.
19,600
9,900.
9,900.
9,900. Do you all get it?
Yes, sir.
So can I say that we have 9,900 of cash in the business?
Yes.
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 Who did not understand this? Raise your hand. Still, I repeat it one more time. What is the total cash we have received in the business? 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 3,600, 19,600.
Yes,
What
sir.
is the total cash we have paid? 2,700, 4,000 and 3,000. That we will minus. So 19,600 minus paid 2,700, 4,000 and 3,000. What is remaining in the business?
9,900.
9,900. Okay. Now 9,900 we have with us. And what is given in the last transaction? How much do we keep with us?
2,000.
2,000 we keep with us from 9,900. So how much will we deposit in the bank?
7,900.
7,900. Did everyone understand this concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much amount we have to deposit in the bank? 7,900.
900.
Anyone who did not understand this, raise your hand. Dhruv Upadhyay, did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you deposit 7,900 in the bank, is it a contra entry or not?
Yes.
Yes.
If you deposit 7,900 in the bank, bank is the receiver, debit the receiver, bank account debit.
Yes.
Cash goes out, credit what goes out to cash account. Is it a contra entry or not?
Yes.
Now bank account debit means in bank column we'll write debit side 7,900
Yes.
and then opposite.
Opposite.
This is the actual concept. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now shall I go with the shortcut method?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much amount we have to keep cash on hand?
2,000.
2,000.
You write that as closing balance of cash. We have to keep that much cash on hand means that much will be our closing balance of cash. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
We are talking about the month of July. So last date is 31st July. After Sundar, leave around 2 lines and then 31st July write down by balance carried down in cash column 2,000. This is what we have to keep in, and this is the first step, shortcut method. No need to do any calculations. Is that clear? Once again, first step, what is the cash we have to keep in hand?
2000.
2000.
What will you do with the cash we have to keep in hand? 2000, write it as
Carry forward.
Carry forward.
closing balance of cash. Okay, this is called closing balance. Balance carried down means it is called closing balance. So whatever amount we have to keep in hand, that you write it as closing balance of cash. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now you do normal balancing of cash, and whatever amount remains, with that you pass the rule opposite, opposite, opposite. Means all of you again do debit side total of cash. What is 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 3,600?
19,000.
1,600.
Write both the sides parallel to each other, 19,600. Write both the sides parallel to each other, 19,600. Did you all write it?
Yes.
Yes.
Now you subtract all the amounts including this 2,000. Okay, now you subtract all the amounts in cash column including this 2,000. Do it. 19,600 minus 2,700 minus 4,000 minus 3,000 minus 2,000.
7,900.
7,900.
Yes.
Mark it as step number 2.
Oh boy.
Shoo bhai. Sudayu.
हाँ सर समझ पड़ी.
Okay. Is everyone clear how is this 7,900 obtained?
Yes, sir.
From 19,600, which all amounts have we subtracted? From 19,600, which all amounts have we subtracted?
2,700,
2,700,
2,000.
then 4,000, then
3,000.
3,000, and also
2,000.
now this 7,900 comes in which column?
Cash
Cash.
Column.
7,900 comes in cash column. So follow the rule opposite, opposite, opposite. Date, write down 31st. What is opposite of cash?
Bank.
By bank account.
By bank account. LF column C. What is opposite of bank?
To cash account.
To cash account. LF column C. And opposite of cash amount will go in which column?
Bank column.
This is the shortcut. Directly you get contra entry by following the shortcut opposite, opposite, opposite. Okay. Whatever amount we have to keep cash in hand, what will you do with that amount? Whatever amount we have to keep cash in hand, what will you do with that amount?
Subtract.
No contra entry.
From the
What
cash
will you do with this 2,000 which we have to keep cash in hand?
Subtract from
Closing
total.
end.
Closing balance. Write it as
Balance.
closing balance. And then you do receipt side total minus payment side total, including 2,000. You subtract all the amounts, you get 7,900.
Yes.
Yes.
With that, you pass contra entry. So opposite, opposite, opposite. Are these 5 steps clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is the shortcut of doing it. Now we do bank columns balance. Do in bank column 4,000 plus 4,000, 8,000 plus 5,000, 13,000 plus 2,500, 15,500 plus 5,400, 20,900 plus 7,900. Is it 28,800?
Yes.
Yes.
Write it on both the sides, 28,800. Now from that you subtract minus 4,000, minus 2,700, minus 800, minus 700, minus 2,700, minus 6,000, minus 5,000. So 4, 6, 8, 14, 19, 20,500, 21,900. If you subtract, is it 6,900?
Yes, sir.
Balance carried down is already written. So besides 2,000, write down 6,900. Besides 2,000, just write down 6,900. This is closing balance of bank. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Now opposite side after the totals. Next month will be 1st August.
Yes.
सर डिस्काउंट पहले करना है.
हाँ हाँ बाद में करते हैं बेटा. 1st August 2015 to balance brought down In cash column 2000 and in bank column 6900. Next month's opening balance, opposite side. Now discount, we don't do the balancing, simply do the totals. What is the total of debit side? 1070.
Yes, sir.
And what is the total of credit side? 350.
350.
Is everyone clear with this last transaction?
Yes.
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 Tomorrow we will finish this chapter. One more example we will solve, similar kind, where remaining amount is deposited in the bank, and we will finish this chapter. Okay?
Bye, sir.
Okay.
Sure.
Bye.
Bye.
Just minute. Those who have doubts, some people ask me doubts on WhatsApp, can stay back, others can leave. Those who have doubts can stay back, others can leave. Hinal Prajapati, can you see the screen? Bye.
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 आवजो सर.
Avjo, Tata, bye bye, see you. Doodly doo, bye.
सत श्री अकाल. मैं बोलूं सत श्री अकाल.
हाँ, सत श्री अकाल भी, जय श्री कृष्ण भी, sayonara, everything. Hinal Prajapati, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I've done my work. You can close that.
Okay. Now, those who have doubts can stay back, okay? Those who had messaged me and have doubts, and if others want to attend those doubts, you can also stay back. Richita, it was exercise question number?
It is clear because you have taught us that cash on hand.
Acha, you got it now. Okay. Yes, anyone else having any doubts? So shall we wind up with the meeting? Chalo, bye everyone. Bye.
Bye, sir.